Hi friends, welcome back to Arc Tutorials. This is yet another app review session. In today's episode, I'm going to review one of the best and maybe probably the oldest web hosting and site builder, which is GoDaddy. GoDaddy has been around for a very long time, since at least I started programming. That was almost 8-10 years back. Let's learn all about it, explore GoDaddy and see how it will fit in your everyday work or in your projects. Alright, so what is GoDaddy? GoDaddy is a widely recognized name in the web hosting and domain registration industry. It offers website builders, domain names, hosting, and much more. It's the platform itself is pretty user friendly, easy to get started, and even non-technical people can quickly get started to building their own websites in no time. It's a robust platform for users who want to build and manage their own website. Like I said, you can host a website, you can host WordPress blogs, everything in just few minutes. I'm saying few minutes because the platform itself is so robust that it would do all of it for you. So like I said, any non-technical person can also quickly get started of creating their own website. Let's talk about some of the features real quick. GoDaddy offers templates, designs. It's easy to use. They have a lot of inbuilt marketing tools that we can make use of to promote and kind of grow our business and the website. If you are into e-commerce, you also have e-commerce online store that GoDaddy supports, which means you can even set up an entire e-commerce platform, your own store, and everything related to e-commerce in no time. Also talking about SEO, the platform itself doesn't provide, but it provides you tools which can help you with the SEO. So in all, it's a great package if you want to go for it. Let's talk about pricing. Now pricing, the most minimum, bare minimum one that starts at 299, okay, per month, which is a shared hosting basically. You'll get a free domain registration and unmetered bandwidth, which means that anybody who is a beginner or wants to get their business online quickly can start with the basic plan, 299 plan per month, and then as the business grows, as the company grows, you can always upgrade to higher plans. There is always VPS hosting, dedicated servers, WordPress hosting, and much more. What are the pros? Affordability, obviously 299 is not a pretty high price to get started. It's easy to use, the platform is robust, it has a lot of AI features like AI site builder and much more, which will help you really come up with beautiful templates and designs. They also have a solid customer support, which means whenever you're stuck or need any help, they're always there to help you out. What are some of the cons? Interface overload is what I would call, because if you are a totally beginner, I think looking at too many options may be a little confusing, but the good thing is the customer support will definitely help you out if you reach out to them. There are some additional charges that will be added. Again, these are optional. You want to take, you can apply, like I said, SEO tools, performance, marketing, AdWords, etc. Now mixed reviews. If you go to any review software site, you will see that there are mixed reviews, but I personally have used GoDaddy and I will recommend it. Now if you want to quickly explore, you can explore it at godaddy.com. That's the website, and you can see here, you can choose the domain that you want to see. They have a lot of e-commerce things like online store, managed WooCommerce. They have the hosting, like I talked about, WordPress hosting, web hosting, VPS. All of this definitely helps. If you are a first timer, don't know how to use, you can start with website builder, you can start with the existing website templates and grow from there. You can also hire an expert, like I talked about, additional services like SEO services, marketing, etc. Now we talked about pricing. Again, like I said, the most basic one would start at 299. That's the hosting plan that starts at 299. So you click on it, and looks like they have increased a little bit, but 599 per month is what I'm looking at right now. But yeah, like I said, there are different things that will keep changing. This is their AI offering, which is GoDaddy AI Aero, which is nothing but AI tool to find a domain, hosting, etc. So give it a try. If you are looking for a hosting, do consider GoDaddy.com, one of the coolest platform and stable platform to get started. That's my honest take on GoDaddy.com. Do let me know your comments, your thoughts. If you have used it, what are your pros, cons, and your take on it. Till then, happy exploring apps, and I'll see you in the next episode where we'll review and find more such apps for us. Thank you.